आपण पाहतात इनगोवा 24 तास. उत्तर आणि दक्षिण गोव्यातील पालकांनी शिक्षण संचालकांना निवेदन सादर केले असून शैक्षणिक वर्ष एप्रिल-ऐवजी जूनमध्ये सुरू करण्याची मागणी केली आहे. पालकांनी उन्हाळ्याच्या तीव्र उष्णतेचा विचार करून हा निर्णय घेण्याची आवश्यकता असल्याचे सांगितले.
We have submitted a memorandum to the Director of Education and also addressed it to the CM because we have realized suddenly that Mr. Prasad Lalkar and the Secretary announced on media and not even with the parents stating that the schools are going to be starting in April, which was quite a scary thought because we know how hot April month is and we know how many schools do not have the proper adequate supply of like water supply and toilet facilities and fans sometimes, and we have continuous power cuts which happen, and due to which we are quite scared to have our children go through it. And also April month is a month where children get to develop their skill sets. So that's why parents always put them into different classes, which is a de-stressing for the children. But having their exams finish on the 20th of March and directly start school from the 1st of April, this is ridiculous. Like where there is a time for the children to de-stress. Continuously for the whole month they'll be studying, and when they come back again they're going to school.
So what do you have asked?
So we demanded that that have it the same way how it was earlier. Instead of April, shift it to the month of June because the children are anyway completing that many hours of studies and that many hours of project work submission. So we said if your books are not going to be ready, you're going to be giving children e-books and you don't have proper teachers already in the facility because they're still hiring teachers, they're still training teachers. So what are the children?
So what the director said?
So he's been very supportive. He said Cecil will look into this and we will have a meeting of few parents again after discussing with the committee, or they might call the committee together, and which we are very happy about. And we've also requested him, since the CM is the head of education, is the minister, if he could be present, nothing like this, that we can put forward our point and have a discussion on behalf of all the parents who are worried about their children's future.
Thank you.
Education today as a group of parents from North and South Goa raising our concerns. First main regarding the starting of schools in April. Is there really a need to start the schools in April when we are finishing that number of educational hours and whatever is needed, and especially when the textbooks are not ready by April? So is there a need to start the school in April considering the climatic conditions in Goa? It's going to be really hot. It's hot, really hot now itself. In April it's going to be more hot. That was the first concern. The second concern was there was no clarity regarding the continuation of the foreign language subjects. An option is given when the child goes to 8th standard to choose either French, Portuguese, Arabic, Sanskrit. So that clarity was not there, that whether they can continue with that or that is going to be scrapped, for which the Directorate of Education has assured us, no, there is no such thing that is happening, that will continue. The student will be given an option to choose those foreign languages as well. The third thing that we have asked him was the medium of instruction, which they are also not very clear. So he has assured us that he will have a meeting. Basically the medium of instruction, this is for the primary section. He said above 6th standard it is not going to change, it will be in English. Below 6th standard we will give a clarity of this in a few more days. So these were the basic things that we have asked him. We asked them whether textbooks, physical textbooks will be ready in April. See, when the school was starting in June itself we used to never get the textbooks. By the time students used to get the textbooks, it used to be end of July. Sometimes Konkan used to come, after 10 days English used to come, after 10 days maths used to come. So we asked him, now if schools are starting in April, are the textbooks ready? For which he answered, we are not sure. So then we said, if the textbooks are not ready, why are you starting schools in April? How are you going to start schools in April? So for which he answered that the e-books are ready. So each student will have to have a gadget in their hand to open that particular lesson and then go through it. Or the second option that he said was, we have asked the schools to keep back the books. Like the 7th standard students will have to keep back their books for the next year to use their books till the new books come.
So nothing has been planned?
No. We are not sure whether the books will come in April.